everyone, and welcome to the last video of application of integrals. Today we will discuss few questions from the miscellaneous exercise chapter 8 NCERT. Let's talk about the first one, children. In the first question it says find the area under the curve y is equal to x squared. That means it is a parabola which is symmetrical towards y axis. So that means it will be drawn something like this, right? After that, x is equal to 1 is a line. Then we will draw a line which is x is equal to 1. So suppose this is the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 and x-axis. Let me just undo this line because it got a little tilted. All right, and we have to find the shaded area, and you can see that this one is the shaded area right here. Let me just take a So this is the shaded area which we are talking about, only this portion. Now, if we have to find only this portion, children, again, it is very clear from the graph. There's no need to find the point of intersection. This is 1 for you, x is equal to 1. This is 2 for you. So you know that when we take area under the graph and I am moving my pencil as with respect to the x-axis, so it is integration of 1 to 2 y dx. Just put the value of y and you will get your answer, right, children? Please don't forget to write the unit. Okay, that's all about question number 1 for you. The second part of the question is not in the syllabus since it is y is equal to x to the power 4, so we are not going to touch that. Similarly, for the next question, question number 2, again y is equal to x square is a parabola and y is equal to x is a line. Let's find out point of intersection. So you know point of intersection, iski value isme put kar dete hain. So x is equal to x square. I have highlighted this in the previous video also. Never cancel, okay? Always factorize. So we get the point of intersection as 0 and point of intersection as 1. So if I draw the figure, it will look something like this. I'm just drawing quickly the figure so that there's no issue and we are able to finish the exercise quickly, really quickly. So y is equal to x square. So again, symmetrical towards y-axis and passing through origin. And x, this is x is equal to y. So this is 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1. So this is how the line is going to look like. So this is the shaded area which we have to find out. Let's draw a perpendicular. So you know that this is 0. One intersection point is 0 and another intersection point is 1. So can I say that area under the curve is from 0 to 1. This is line minus circle, children. So y1 minus y2, if I consider this as y1 and this as y2. Line minus the parabola. Check here. Line ka area bada hai with respect to the axis, x-axis, and this is the area which I don't need. So line minus parabola, obviously with respect to x. So you know 0 to 1, x minus x square dx. And you can find out the area now as the integration is too simple. When you talk about question number 3, again it is the same thing. Question number 3, again area which is symmetrical towards parabola hai. First one, again parabola which is passing through origin and symmetrical towards y-axis. So you know how to draw the parabola. So this is how the parabola will look like. After drawing the parabola, let's talk about y is equal to 1, a line, and y is equal to 4, another line. And you have to find the area which is shaded by x equal to 0. Let me just take the pencil to find out the shaded area. X is equal to 0, yani ki y-axis, this curve part and this line. So you know how to find the area, this yellow part or greenish yellow part for that matter. All right. So let's say, can I say, I'm writing it quickly. Area under the curve is now with respect to y, because y is changing, children, right? From 2 to 4. I hope you'll be able to get it. 2 to 4. So value kiski put hogi? X ki put hogi. So 2 to 4 x की वैल्यू अगर मैं पुट करना चाहूँ तो वो क्या आएगी, y/4 का अंडर रूट dx, and area will always be positive, so consider only the positive part. Okay, so that is how you will find out the area. Similarly, if you have to check out question number 4, again 4 is a simple one. Again it is a line, but since there is a modulus sign, so that means there will be two lines, children. So if you want, it will be minus y is x plus 3 one line, and y is equal to x plus 3 another line. You know how to plot the lines, that is not a problem for you. X and y, when x is 0, y is minus 3 in the first case. When y is 0, and then x is minus 3, right? Similarly here also, when x is 0, y is 3. When y is 0, x is minus 3. Right, children? So this is how you plot the line. So that means the line, since it is a modulus, so here it will be minus 3. So it will look something like this, right? Modulus graph is always like this. This you have learned in class 11th functions, right? And the area which we have to find out, children, is from minus 6. So evaluation is from minus 6 to minus 3. There is a separate line since this point is minus 3, and from minus 3 to what is the next limit, you can see here, 0. That means we have to find the shaded area is here, this portion, right? And there is some line at, let me take this color, minus 6. Now when we talk about this minus 6, so that means the line will be negative, children, right? And when we talk about this, it will be positive. So again, you know how to do the integration. So this is how you evaluate a modulus function. All right, that is question number 4 for you. Question number 5 is again not in the syllabus. Question number 6 will happen. 6 and 2 are almost same. We will plot a parabola first. Let's see and quickly plot. Don't get bothered कि a और a की value और x है, m है, so you don't have to worry. Parabola symmetrical towards x axis, so it will look something like this, parabola. Then there is a line. Again, let's find out point of intersection. Y square is equal to 4ax, y is equal to mx. Put the value. So mx whole square is equal to 4ax. So m square x square is minus 4ax equals to 0. Let's take x common. So m square x minus 4a equals to 0. So x is equal to 0 is one point, and x is equal to 4a upon m square is another point of intersection. So let's just take any random. So this is 0, 0. X is 0, y is 0. And the next is, you take any point which is 4 a.m. So something like this, the line will look like. So let's say this point is 4a upon m square. All right, children. Now, again, we have to find the area enclosed. So you can see this is the area enclosed. So again, area enclosed is, suppose this is y1, this is y2, children. So you can see very, very clearly from 0 to 4a by m square, it is parabola minus line. Check out How will you get parabola minus line? Let's take another color to show you. This is area with respect to parabola and the axis, and this is with respect to line. So मुझे white वाला area नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ red shaded चाहिए. So that is how we get line minus parabola. All right. Let's move further. After question number 6, let's do question number 7. 7 is again just the same way. Again, parabola and line, you can find the point of intersection, and parabola will be symmetrical towards y-axis. So I think you'll be able to do it. Question number 8 and 9 are symmetrical. Let me do 9 for you. 8 you will be able to do it on your own, because only the point of intersection method is point of intersection is going to change. The rest will be same. So this is a parabola. Sorry, this is a ellipse. I'm doing question number 9 for you. So first of all, you draw a ellipse. All right, this is a ellipse for you. And now let's see what do we have to do. And then there is a line. Point of intersection again निकालना पड़ेगा. Again, suppose this is y1, this is y2 line. So आपको पता है एलिप्स का ये पॉइंट A होता है इस केस में स्टैंडर्ड में, और ये पॉइंट B होता है. अगर मैं लाइन को प्लॉट करना शुरू करूँ तो चेक कर लीजिए. x is 0. When I put x as 0, y will be B, y 0, x will be A. So आपको यहीं से पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन दिख जाएंगे लाइन के और एलिप्स के. So this will be your line, right children? And you have to find the smaller area. Again, if I have to find the smaller area, that means I have to find only this part. Now again, how to find this part? Just check my pencil how it is moving. I'm sorry. This is with respect to the parabola, and with respect to the line and the axis is this. So ये white portion मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So again, area shaded will be line, parabola minus line children. So y1 minus y2 dx, and limit आपको दिख ही रही है from 0 to a, since I'm talking about x-axis, right? Again, if you want to see it very clearly, please see it. This is parabola with respect to x-axis, and this white part is line with respect to the x-axis. So we don't want this white portion. So that is why. And you know how to calculate the value of y, right? So y1 will be parabola से y की वैल्यू जो कि क्या आएगी, अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई ए स्क्वायर इंटू बी स्क्वायर, दैट इज y माइनस लाइन में से y की वैल्यू 1 माइनस एक्स बाई ए इंटू बी डी एक्स. अगेन एलसीएम लेके थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करके अगेन अंडर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला यहाँ लग जाएगा इंटीग्रेशन में, और इस साइड वाली इंटीग्रेशन तो नॉर्मली सॉल्व हो जाएगी. ऑल राइट, प्लीज टेक कॉमन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, b by a कॉमन आ जाएगा. सी दिस विल बिकम लाइक दिस, b by a 0 to a अंडर रूट ऑफ a square minus x square dx minus, again take b by a common, integration of 0 to a minus x dx, and now you can integrate very easily. All right. Question number 10 is also similar, parabola and line and the x-axis. Again, you will be able to do it the way we have done question number 7 and 6. Okay, let's see, let's talk about question number 11. It looks little difficult to look at, but it is actually not. Whenever there is modulus, you know it will split into two parts. तो यहाँ पे दो मॉड्यूलस हैं, तो बेसिकली मेरी चार इक्वेशन बनेगी. x plus y is equal to 1, एक बार दोनों पॉजिटिव, एक बार दोनों नेगेटिव, एक बार एक पॉजिटिव दूसरा नेगेटिव, एक बार पहला वाला जिसे पॉजिटिव लिया है उसको नेगेटिव, दूसरा वाला पॉजिटिव. सो 4 इक्वेशंस एंड यू अगेन नो, जब आप इस 4 इक्वेशन को प्लॉट करोगे तो आपके पास, चेक करिएगा, एक रोम्बस बनेगा क्योंकि पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन दोनों इनके सेम है. सो दिस इज वन line plotting, this is another line plotting, this is another line plotting, and this is another line plotting. So again, अगर मुझे area, again line plotting is very simple, जो तुम्हें already मैं सिखा चुकी हूँ, x0 y1 y0 x1. इसकी भी line same way में xy, x is 0, y is -1, y is 0, x is -1. Same way this, x is 0, y is -1, y is 0, x is 1. Similarly this, x is 0, y is 1, y is 0, x is -1. So this is how your graph is going to look like. So again ये symmetrical, ये सारा area हमें find करना है enclosed area. तो ये 1 था, right? ये -1 है, ये भी 1 है और ये भी -1 है. सो अगर मैं एरिया चेकआउट करूं, कैन आई से एरिया इज 0 to 1 4 टाइम्स, क्योंकि ये जो सिमेट्रिक एरिया जो है वो सिमेट्रिकल है, यानी कि ये ट्राइंगल जो है वो 4 बार रिपीट हो रहा है, तो मैंने 4 टाइम्स कर दिया. और क्योंकि ये पहली लाइन है प्लॉटेड, सो एक्स की वैल्यू यहाँ से आ जाएगी, जो कि क्या है, वाई की वैल्यू, सो 1 माइनस एक्स dx. This is how you will find out the area, right? That's question number 11 for you. Similarly, question number 12 में सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनइक्वालिटी चेंज है, तो इनइक्वालिटी से घबराना नहीं है. सबसे पहले प्लॉटिंग तो इनइक्वालिटी भूल के ही होगी, यानी कि ये तो पैराबोला ही बनेगा और y इज इक्वल टू मॉड x. अगेन आपको पता है ये दो लाइन बनेगी, y इज इक्वल टू x एंड माइनस y इज इक्वल टू x. So you know how a modulus is plotted and how a parabola is plotted. So let's just plot that and look at the figure, how the figure will look like. So parabola symmetrical towards y-axis, matlab parabola, I'm sorry, I've taken a line. So parabola will look something like this, right? And then there is a line plotting again आपको करनी आती है. एक ऐसी लाइन और एक ऐसी लाइन. अगेन अगर हम एरिया चेकआउट करें तो शेडेड एरिया ये क्यों आएगा, ये आपको इनइक्वालिटी से पता चलेगा. व्हाई दिस विल बी द शेडेड एरिया. एंड पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, अगेन आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हाउ टू फाइंड इट आउट. just put in the values. So this will be 0 and you can check करें, x is equal to x square, again x minus x square is equal to 0, so x common, 1 minus x equals to 0, so x is 0 and x is 1, so 0 and 1 is 1 point. अगर मैं x is equal to minus y put करूँगी तो यहाँ पे माइनस आ जाएगा. अगेन अब हो आया कि शेडेड एरिया आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि यही वाला होगा, वहाँ पे इनइक्वालिटी will play a major role and this is what is the catch in the question. आप चेकआउट करिए एनी पॉइंट, चेक करते हैं 1,0, क्या ये y इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर को सेटिस्फाई करता है. पुट करके देखिए, y की वैल्यू 0 है, 0 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 का स्क्वायर, सो 0 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1, सो इज इट ट्रू? नो, इट इज फॉल्स. सो दैट इज वाई जो एरिया शेडेड है वो नीचे वाला नहीं होगा, ऊपर वाला होगा, पैराबोला से ऊपर वाला. सो दैट इज वाई वी हैव टेकन दिस एरिया, नॉट द एरिया अदर वे राउंड, राइट? नीचे वाला एरिया इसलिए शेड नहीं हुआ. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी. सो अगेन एरिया आपको अगेन क्लियरली दिख रहा है, दिस इज लाइन माइनस पैराबोला. So if this I take it as y1, this is, sorry, y1 I have already taken as parabola, this is y2. So area will be 0 to 1 twice, क्योंकि जितना एरिया इधर है उतना इधर भी है. This is line minus parabola, so y2 minus y1 dx. So area will be twice 0 to 1 line, which is x minus parabola की value, that is x square dx. and you know. So this was the thing which you have to check, ki which will be the shaded area as per inequality. Rest of the method remains the same. Alright children, question number 13 and question number 14 again हम कर चुके हैं सेकेंड वीडियो में. जब आपको वर्टिसेस गिवन है तो सबसे पहले आप इक्वेशन निकालोगे 13 के लिए. कौन से वाला फॉर्म? ठीक है, y माइनस वाई वन अपॉन एक्स माइनस एक्स वन इज इक्वल टू वाई टू माइनस वाई वन अपॉन एक्स टू माइनस एक्स वन. एंड ट्राई एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y, यानी कि आपको ए बी की अलग इक्वेशन निकालनी है सेम फॉर्मूले से, बी सी की अलग निकालनी है और सी ए की अलग निकालनी है. जब आपके पास तीनों इक्वेशन आ जाएंगी, आप पॉइंट्स तो आप ऑलरेडी प्लॉट कर ही चुके हो, तो आपको क्लैरिटी से दिख जाएगा कि किसकी इक्वेशन में से क्या सबट्रैक्ट करना है. इफ़ यू वांट आई कैन शो यू quickly, but you are supposed to do this question on your own. So I'm just taking x is 2, y is 0, so a is here 2 comma 0, b is 4 comma 5, so somewhere here is the point b, so I'm taking b 4 comma 5, and then we have 6 comma 3. 6 comma 3 is another point somewhere that side. So let me take, the figure will look something like कि suppose यहाँ पे a है, b will be 4 comma 5 somewhere here, and this is 6 comma 3 somewhere here. So since it was not coming here, so that is how I've taken. So check, this is a, B and C. So now you can see this was the point 2 x-axis pe. Okay, this is 4 and this is 6 children. So you can see from 2 to 4 we will take AB ka equation, plus from 4 to 6 we will take BC का equation, और उसमें से हम subtract कर लेंगे 2 to 6 AC का equation, right? मतलब y की value from AC. So you will calculate all y's and you can put it here. Please use the same method. Don't use the method where you calculate this area minus this area and then again this area minus this area. It is more time consuming. So rather than subtracting the area twice, you just add the complete area and then subtract completely once, okay? So that you get the area of the triangle. Similarly, you have to do this kind of question also. अब इसमें क्या है, जैसे ये ए बी है, ये बी सी है, ये सी ए है, तो सबसे पहले पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड करोगे. जैसे ही पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आ जाएंगे तो आपके पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, ए बी सी आ जाए. इन दोनों को सॉल्व करोगे तो बी आएगा, इन दोनों को सॉल्व करोगे तो सी आएगा, इसको और इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो ए आएगा. पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन प्लॉट कर लोगे, अगेन सेम मेथड. That is how you will do question number 14. Let's talk about question number 15. Again, forget the inequality. तो सबसे पहले तो plotting हो जाएगी. This is x square plus y square is equal to 9/4 यानी कि 3/2. तो एक तो सर्कल बन गया और दूसरा जो है वो आपको पैराबोला दिख ही रहा है. तो बना लेते हैं फटाफट. सर्कल जिसका रेडियस, okay, let me just take a pencil, freehand pencil. So this will be a circle and then a parabola symmetrical towards, right, like this. Now point of intersection again same way में निकालना. x square plus y square की वैल्यू 4x is equal to, ये 9/4 था, so multiply कर दो. 4x square plus 4 4s are 16x minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 4s are 36. 18 into 2 36 होता है. Let's take common. Can I take 2x common? So it will be 2x plus 9. I take minus 1 common, it will again be 2x plus 9. So one factor is half and the other one is minus 9/2. अब x नेगेटिव हो नहीं सकता, क्योंकि अगर x नेगेटिव होगा तो y अंडर रूट में जो आएगा वो इमेजिनरी आ जाएगा, तो x की वैल्यू हाफ है, यानी कि ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है दैट इज हाफ. नाउ हाउ विल यू कम टू नो कि एरिया कौन सा शेड होना है? ये वाला एरिया, येलो एरिया, ये जो एरिया हाईलाइटेड है ये वाला, विद इन दिस ये एरिया शेड होगा, या इसके बाहर वाला, मतलब ये वाला एरिया शेड होगा. दैट इज वेयर द इनइक्वालिटी विल कम इनटू प्ले. आप हाफ कॉमा जीरो को पुट करके देखो दोनों में. वाई स्क्वायर इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 4x. चेक करो y की वैल्यू क्या है. 0 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 4 इंटू हाफ. दिस इज ट्रू. And let's put the same here. 4 into 1 by 2 का square plus 4 into 0 का square is less than equal to 9. So check करो, 1 is less than equal to 9. This is also true, right? So since both are true, that means this is the shaded area. Again, ये जो shaded area है, again आपको बहुत बहुत clearly दिख रहा है. Again check the movement of my pencil. जब मैं circle की, जब मैं parabola की बात कर रही हूँ तो limit 0 to half आ रही है, right? So let me take parabola as y1 and this as y2. So this is y1 dx और साथ में मुझे इसमें add करना है. Check करो again, check the movement of my pencil, this area, right? So this is y2 dx and the limit is from half to 3 by 2. Why 3 by 2? क्योंकि circle का जो radius है वो 3 by 2 है. Check from here, right? So this is how you will come to know. And into 2 क्यों होगा? I hope वो भी clear है, क्योंकि जितना area first quadrant में है उतना ही area shaded नीचे भी है fourth quadrant में. So that is why it will be twice. Okay? So that is the significance of this. Same way, this is not to be done क्योंकि cubic है. This is no problem. I hope you will be able to do it. Mod का मतलब again same है, right? तो आप कर लोगे मॉडुलस रिमूव करने के लिए, एक बार प्लस एक बार माइनस लोगे and then you will be able to do it, right? So y is equal to x square is one and y is equal to minus x square is another. So you know how to plot both the parabolas, right? Similarly, अब ये है क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 जो कि पेपर में आ भी सकता है rather than the choices given. So इसमें सेम वे में चेक करिए क्या चेंज है. I will just tell you what is the change in this question. All right. So first was a circle जिसका रेडियस 4 है. तो आप सर्कल बना लो जिसका रेडियस 4 है. उसके बाद आप एक पैराबोला बनाओगे जो x के सिमेट्रिक है. अब उसने बोला कि एक्सटीरियर टू द पैराबोला, दैट मीन्स हमें ये एरिया फाइंड करना है. तो ये एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए चिल्ड्रन you have to use area of circle minus this area, and you know how to calculate this area. This yellow area I have already told you how to calculate from this part, in this part of the question number 15. So you will just subtract whatever area has come, this yellow area, you will subtract that complete area from the area of circle. Area of circle आपको पता है क्या होता है? Pi r square minus this shaded area in yellow, right? So a radius is already given to you as 4. So this is 4 point for you. This is 0, 0. And point of intersection obviously आपको निकालना आता है, जो मैं आपको already सिखा चुकी हूँ. Question number 19 फिर नहीं करना, right? Again, it is not in your CBSE syllabus. So that is all from my side about areas. Okay, how to find areas with respect to integration. So if you have any doubt, please write in the comment below. Thank you.